In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Scotiabank of Puerto Rico personal banking. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. So if you want to log into Scotiabank of Puerto Rico, what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now simply type in the exact same link that I've shown on this screen. After you do that, press enter. If you do not want to type in this link, what you can do is simply search for Scotiabank of Puerto Rico, press enter. After you do that, you'll be able to see the results over here. Click on the link provided by Scotiabank itself. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Scotiabank. You can see over here Puerto Rico is selected. Now logging into your account is actually very simple. Right over here you can see personal banking is selected. If it is not selected, click on it. After that, make sure to click on the option personal banking. After you do that, click on the enter option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official login interface of Scotiabank of Puerto Rico. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your card number or username and password. Click on the field of card number or username. Now enter the card number or username over here. After you do that, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on this option, forgot your username or password, and you'll be able to recover them. If you want this browser to remember your username or card number, check on this box. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Scotiabank of Puerto Rico personal banking. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.